5 tips to help you get ungated. I know that I said that I was not going to talk about ungating anymore, but it's Sunday. I feel forgiveness in my heart. Thank you, Lord. I'm going to make this video. It's going to be the last one, probably, but we'll see. Before we actually start, link in the description. I am now offering one-on-one coaching if you need someone to help you scale your Amazon business, if you need someone to actually help you build a plan to grow, and if you want to avoid dumb mistakes, such as the one that we're going to talk about in this video a little bit later. Link in the description, book a call with me. Best thing to do if you want to grow fast is hire someone that actually went through what you are going to go through, all right? So link in the description, look at my availability, book a call. Second link, Discord server. Best place to network with other sellers, because this is one of the things that is going to get you ahead, and I will never stress it enough. You need to network. If you want to grow this business, you're just going to grow way faster if you actually network. So join the Discord server and get engaged. So first tip. First mistake, I should say. This is not going to be tips, this is going to be mistake. I'm sorry if I misled you. First mistake that I see people making when trying to get ungated is just stop trying. All right, just stop trying after getting rejected 1 or 2 times. If you are on the Discord server and if you've read the pinned comments on the Ungating channel, you'll see that when I tried to get ungated the first time for Nike, I had to submit an application 8 times, all right? And it was with a legit invoice. So you are going to need to submit multiple times, all right? If it's not even a legit invoice, which, you know, when I'm talking about legit invoice, I mean like an invoice formatted as Amazon wants. You can get ungated with receipts, with email confirmation, all that stuff. And this is going to be the second thing that I am going to talk about. Second mistake that I see a lot of people make is trying to get ungated with order confirmation with new accounts, all right? It can work, but it's going to take a lot of time, all right? When you have a new account, it's already hard enough to actually get ungated with a real invoice, all right? With a real invoice formatted as Amazon wants, with all the requirements that Amazon wants. It's already going to be hard enough, all right? If you do it with an email confirmation, with stuff like that, not with a real invoice, it's going to take way longer, all right? You are going to need to submit way more time, because Amazon is going to be way more, like they are going to look, because they are already going to cancel a lot your ungating application with regular invoice, like with real invoice. So with order confirmation, it's going to be way harder. So, which leads us to the third mistake that people make, is not trying to get a few sales, like just wanting to get ungated and sell specific brands, all right? When you start, as I said, you need to get some sales for Amazon to trust you. It's going to be way easier to actually get ungated, all right? Yeah, there's some stuff that you can sell without the need to be ungated, all right? So find those items, sell them a little bit. Yes, try to get ungated for 1 brand, 2 brand, but like it's going to be way harder. Try to get a little set. Even if when you start getting ungated, try to sell a lot of stuff from those brands so you can build your sales. You can build the trust that Amazon has in you. And after that, it's going to be way easier to ungate. I've said it a lot of times. Once you actually add some sales, Amazon trusts you. And like, for example, for me right now, Amazon does not even check my invoice. I send something, I got approved in like 30 seconds, all right? Not only that, but yeah, it really makes your life easier, because you can just submit an email confirmation, you get approved in like 30 seconds, all right? Mistake number 4 is trying to ungate every single brand. And I said it, as you sell, a lot of the brands are going to open up by themselves, all right? A lot of categories as well. For example, on my account, I did not have to ungate toys. I did not have to ungate the beauty category, because they just opened up by themselves. Because I reach when I reach like 10,000 in sales a month, stuff like that, the categories just opened up by themselves. You are not going to need to ungate every single brand. And when you reach a certain point, most brands are going to be open. Some rare brands are still going to be gated, but like you will just be able to submit an order confirmation to get ungated. Do not, like, it does not really matter. Just, you know, get ungated in a few brands, start selling them, a lot of stuff is going to open up. And then once you grow, because you may start with retail arbitrage, but like once you grow, once you do online arbitrage, and you are not gonna need to be that spread out. So when you actually find a great lead and like you think that you can make a lot of money on it, yes, get ungated, but do not go and ungate every single brand. It's a waste of money. All right. Last mistake that you must absolutely avoid is submitting fake invoice, forged invoice, working with ungating companies, like ungating services, because you are going to get fucked. They're going to give you forged invoice, or they're just going to take your money and do something that you can do yourself. Getting ungated is easy. Get the invoice yourself. I have a whole ass playlist on the subject. Watch on my channel. Come on the Discord server. Look on the ungating channel. It's super easy to get ungated. Do not get a forged invoice. Do not work with an ungating service, because only bad things can happen, and you can do it legitimately and without getting your account suspended. All right. So these are the most common mistakes that I see people make when selling on Amazon, trying to get ungated. So yeah, do not submit forged invoice, because you're gonna get fucked. All right. Do not do it. Watch this video on the channel if you want to keep growing, if you want to keep watching videos on Amazon on how to grow your business. And I'll release a new video every single day, so I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching.